Hi, I'm Jamie Lawler, inventor of Kids Flush.
I have found that if you want to engage a child's cooperation, you've got to bring a fun element into it.
The kids loved it. It was easy to use, fun, and it was a win-win for everyone.
Join us in making toilet flushing fun.